Hey guys, John V here from Phone Arena. Right now I'm doing an unboxing and hands-on look at the LG Intuition for Verizon Wireless. It's basically Big Red's version of the LG Optimus View overseas. It's available right now. You can pick it up in their stores for $200 2-year contract, and it's pretty much a hybrid type of smartphone, both like a tablet or a smartphone, phablet, tab phone, whatever you want to call it nowadays. Kind of follows and competes against other things like the Samsung Galaxy Note. So as far as the packaging, you could tell here all black. There's just a subtle Verizon logo. It's kind of difficult to make out there. But open up, here is the LG Intuition. You could tell it's a very massive phone, very wide in the hand. Probably one of the widest devices out there right now in the market. Plastic body all around, has this texture pattern to the back. Gives it a little bit of good grip, even for a device that's pretty massive in overall size. It's fairly streamlined, decent construction. It doesn't seem cheap or anything like that. And we'll take a look. We'll just power it on and show you what else is included with the packaging here. So we'll wait for that to load up, and we'll take a look and see what else we've got here. So underneath this, put that guy right here, there for you, so you can check it out, see what the boot screen looks like. So underneath all this, you have this NFC tag here, which works with the handset, like what we've seen with Samsung and also the Sony, NFC tags that they have. You could just scan this, and for example, this one here will place the handset into car mode. You have your usual set of documentation from what it looks like here, start guide, warranty information. Here is the stylus, the rubberidium, as they like to call it. Now, there's no slot in the handset to put this, so you gotta make sure you remember where you put this guy here. So let's just open this up, show you what it looks like. It's pretty long, and it's circular, and it has like a clip up top, so you can clip it on something. But here is the rubberidium. See if we could focus here so you could see a little bit more detail. There you go. Rubberized bottom right there. So, if you want to have something to write with and draw, this is a little bit more suitable than using your finger, obviously. But again, there's no slot to put it in the smartphone, so you just got to make sure to not lose it. That's the only problem with it there. Other goodies, it looks like you have your micro USB port. Cable, so you could charge it, data connectivity, and of course the wall charger. So that pretty much is the handset, the packaging at a glance here. So let's take a look at the smartphone now. So what you have here is a 5-inch 1024 by 768 IPS LCD panel. So it's not quite as high res compared to the Galaxy Note. It's a 4:3 aspect ratio, so a little bit more on the square side instead of being a widescreen look to it. The left side is clean. The bottom's also clean. It's like you just have the microphone there, kind of hard to make out. It has the 4 set of Android capacitive buttons. It's Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich on board. You have a front-facing camera, which has the ability to shoot 720p videos too, so you could use that for video chat. Earpiece up top. Right-hand side, you only have the volume rocker, kind of flat there, almost flush to the surface. Decent response when you press them down. Up top, you have all the ports, 3.5mm headset jack right there. It looks like a noise cancellation microphone. I believe this button here takes a screenshot of whatever's on there. Actually, I'll show you that real quick here. So you press it down, and then it takes a screenshot. From here, it's going to launch the application where you can edit it. You could, make notes, draw, and then of course you could share that via whatever you want, email, social networking, all that. So it's a good tool if you want to just write on, if there's something on a website you want to capture, you could use that for screen captures there. You also have the dedicated power button right here. Again, a little bit on the flat side. And beneath this here, we definitely like the way that LG has done it with the micro USB port. It's hidden behind this latch here, and it firmly stays locked in place. In the back, there's a camera. I gotta double check what size it is, but of course 1080p video recording. You have an LED flash right there, speakerphone. Again, plastic body for the most part here, but the biggest thing here that we notice is just the 5-inch display on there. Nice natural looking colors, high contrast. Actually, let's pump it up to its maximum brightness setting so you can kind of get a hint of what kind of quality it has to offer here. So let's go to display. Let's go to brightness. And some of the other thing worth noting, 4G LTE connectivity. You can see how bright it just got there. Nice and sharp. Great viewing angles. Extreme angles kind of has some distortion going on right there, but it's still nice and pretty. Good brightness output. So it looks like it has a really nice color reproduction too as well, not saturated compared to the AMOLED panels out there. Let's change the brightness back to its automatic, so it's better exposure for the camera here. So let's do that. There we go. Probably turn off and on again. And there we go. So let's take a look. It's powered by a dual-core Qualcomm 1.5 GHz Snapdragon S3 processor, 1 GB RAM. So not the S4, but an S3. But you can tell here with the customized interface, it's moving relatively quick. Going to the app panel, you could tell again, pretty fast. And the other thing here is just the notebook application. If you want to draw something, jot down notes, you could use this application to do that. So we're going to be checking it out more in detail. And so if you want to learn more about the LG Intuition for Verizon Wireless, guys, you could check out our website, phonearena.com. This is John V. Thanks for watching.